So our seats were occupied, and rather than just asking people to move somewhere else for us to take the seats that were assigned to us, we just found another spot. The train was quite empty, so it was just easy to sort that out. Beautiful Termoli. The ride only took about 55 minutes, and soon enough we had arrived to Pescara. Pescara Central Station is really close to the middle of town, so if you need to do any type of shopping like clothes shopping, shoes, even food shopping as well, or if you need professional services like translators, lawyers, doctors, anything in between, it's really easy to get to. Actually, the reason for our visit today to Pescara is to meet the translator that is doing the paperwork and the birth certificate for my husband. She is translating from English to Italian, and it is required that registered translators go to the judge and swear that the document that they have worked on and they have translated is true, and yes, so they have to swear that it is correct and true to the actual original document. So she's doing this today for us, and we're meeting her once all the paperwork is done. So we are meeting her to provide her with the original document, and we have a couple of hours to wait in between. We're gonna use this time to do some shopping, to look around, to have some food, as we haven't been to Pescara for quite a few months since we moved from Abruzzo to Molise, so we're really excited to be here. Today is a beautiful day, blue sky, and people have said to us that it's actually really fresh. They mentioned that it can get a bit muggy and humid in Pescara during summertime, but fortunately, this day was very nice and breezy, and the humidity was really, really low. Buongiorno. So we have just arrived to this shop, which I call heaven. People know it as Bialetti. We're here because we are going to buy a mocha for my mom, and we have always loved the different colors and sizes and shapes that these beautiful machines come in. So we felt or I felt like a kid in a candy store trying to choose.
Like at the supermarket.
We pretty much had made our decision before we went in. We just needed to confirm what size to get, and here we are.
What does it do to orzo though? The Italian one, 6 cups.
was already time for morning tea, and we found a place that we didn't know about before. They had very good coffee and delicious pastries. After having coffee, we met with the translator and we received the documents from her finalized, which was great. That will allow us to continue the next step in the citizenship process for my husband. We had lunch, very good pizza. Unfortunately, my phone died and I ran out of battery. So overall we spent about 5 hours in Pescara. It was a really easy trip going there, and coming back it wasn't too bad. Very doable if you live in Molise to go and spend the day in Pescara if you have to do a few things. So for sure we will be back to spend the day if we want to relax a little. It's a great idea to still feel connected to a bigger city that is still on the coast. Thank you again for watching this video. It really means a lot to us every time someone subscribes or someone likes the videos or makes a comment, and that's just fantastic for us. If you liked it, please press the like button. If you would like to share it with your friends, please do so. And if you have any questions, let us know. See you next time.